at the end of all this, you get screwed badly for most people. Most people, and mainly men, women come to me from time to time as well, depending on the circumstances. When they first find out that I've had success with child support, they ask me a few questions, and I generally going to ask them a few questions as well. And a couple of them will be something like, are your wages being garnished? Is your license suspended? Were you and the other parent ever married? And essentially, is there a parenting plan? Because these things are important factors that go into the child support process. As to what happened, generally the other parent, which in most cases has been mom, went to the state for services. Some services of some sort. Heck, we don't even know in many cases what kind of services they went to the state and asked for specifically. Continuing on, the non-primary custodial parent or non-primary residential caregiver, we'll just say the other parent, got papers in the mail, or the one who essentially got jammed, got papers in the mail, either through service, they either got the papers in the mail or they got service of process, either directly or indirectly, sheriff, process server, what have you. And the party receiving this process either responded or they didn't respond, and in that case, if you didn't respond, then you got what's called a default judgment in most cases. So that brings us to this third which is, what do you want to do? They say nobody's going to hustle your hustle better than you, and nobody's going to be more concerned about your situation than you are, or than you should be. But as to what do you want to do, I'm going to tell you this. For every legal issue, there is a process, probably well-defined process. Child support is no different. But to be effective, you must learn the process and the procedures associated with the entirety of the process. I'm going to say again, listen, people, I'm not an attorney. I don't have a license to practice law. I don't practice law. I don't even want it to even look like I'm attempting to practice law. But what I want you to know is that you can have success as a pro se litigant, self-represented litigant, whatever floats your boat, sue jurist, whatever you want to call it. Going in there by yourself without the benefit of a hired attorney, which I recommend. And in fact, I even recommend you consulting with attorneys. Again, you can go to the website gregdoss.com. You can contact me directly.